Hi, this is Dino here, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about HTML5 local storage versus session storage. What's the difference between them? Now let's take a look at my sample page that I've created. Let me go to index.html. Notice that I'm being redirected to a login page and there's nothing here. And when I log in with user1 and when I press login, you can see that I'm logged in and being redirected to home. Notice that there's some content here right now. And if you notice, I'm on index.html. But what if I go to another tab? Do I need to log in again? No. Although I'm on another page, I do not have to log in again. Why is that so? Because if you check resources under session storage, you can see that the user is being stored. And I'm using this key to say that I do not have to log in again. Please take note that session storage only persists throughout one session, which means if the session closes, this data will be deleted automatically. I'll show you what I mean. Let's say if I copy this link here, although I'm logged in here, if I paste it on another tab, it actually asks me to log in again. Why is that so? Because each tab is considered a different session, and that is why I'm logged in here but not here. And if I check the resources here, you can see that there's nothing stored in here, but there is something stored in here. Okay, now let me log out and show you what is local storage. Local storage persists throughout your entire history of browsing that website. So if I log in with user2 and if I check the remember username and when I press login, I'm being logged in, and if I log out, you can see that my username is being remembered. And why is that so? Because if you check the local storage, my username is there. Now, if I close this window and open it again, you can see that it is still being remembered. That is because local storage persists through sessions. It means that even if your session is closed, you will still have that data. And that is the difference between local storage and session storage. Session storage only persists per session, whereas local storage persists through sessions. Now, let's go to the coding part. And there are only a few important ways of using your session storage. You will use session storage.getItem by typing in the key. You can use session storage.setItem, the key and what data you need to throw in. And you can also use session storage.removeItem and the key that you want to remove. Basically, session storage and local storage has the same syntax. You will just need to replace the session storage with the local storage. And I think that's all you need to know about session storage and local storage. If you want more information, you can search the web by yourself and do some studies, or I'll attach this code below in the description so that you can play with it yourself.